friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I'm your Amin sir. Hope you're well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss about a fantastic native English. What is called native English? Native English is a kind of English which is used by the common people of England and America. ওকে আজকে কিছু নেটিভ মানে দেশীয় ইংরেজি যার অর্থ আমরা জানি না সেই সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। যে নেটিভ ইংলিশ মানে যে ইংলিশগুলো সাধারণ পিপল অফ ইংল্যান্ড অ্যান্ড আমেরিকা ইউজ করে, যার অর্থটা খুব সুন্দর, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। ওকে, লেট আস কাম টু দ্য টুডেজ ডিসকাশন। And we have to know how to use native English. The meaning of the native English you have to know. I am bursting. Oh, I am bursting. I need to go to toilet very soon. But I have to go to toilet. Toilet is যেতে হবে. That's why I am bursting. Likewise, I am starving. I am extremely hungry. খুব ক্ষুধার্ত হয়ে গেলে কি বলবে? I am starving. I am stuffed. That is, I cannot eat anymore. পেট পুড়ে গেছে, এই অবধি খেয়ে নিয়েছো. You have taken a lot of foods up to the stomach, filled up to mouth. So, I am stuffed. I cannot eat anymore. I am great means I am extremely good and happy. I am extremely good and happy. How are you? I am great. Means I am extremely good and happy. I am great. Oof. After walking for a long time, after walking here and there, I am great. এখান সেখান ঘুরে আমি ক্লান্ত হয়ে পড়েছি। That is feeling extremely tired. That is called I am wrecked. I am pissed off. Suppose you are angry with your friends, then you can use I am pissed off because you didn't give me the things that I wanted. আমি তোমার উপর রেগে গেছি কারণ তুমি যে জিনিসটা আমি চেয়েছিলাম তুমি দাওনি। So it is a fantastic native English which is spoken by the native speaker. Hope this video will be helpful to you. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video.